Hey guys, Levi here with a quick little video on how to calibrate your gauges on Nissans or any car that doesn't really have a calibration procedure. So some guys like to change their faces and make it like white or blue, or change their bulbs and all that, mess with their needles. When you take them off, you'll always have to go back and recalibrate. And some guys might get a little frustrated because they don't have all the information they need. Okay, so what ends up happening is some guys do put them back on, and they put them on too hard and then they don't move. You always want to leave a little gap, a little air gap between this material and the back side of that needle. And also real quick, what you want to do is, if you don't have one, all guys should have some kind of handheld scanner that has PID data. So you can go to any part store and pick one of those up. What I have here is this cheap little Modus snap-on scanner. And what I would do is I read the data on here, and then you can actually pick off the needle, because you didn't want to put it back on too far anyway, and turn your key on. When the car is cold, you want to roughly have the car cold and put it down here. You can look in your PID data and look at your fuel level, and what it reads out on this thing is in voltage. Lower the voltage, the fuller the tank. And in most cars situation, in this car especially, 0.28 volts is a very full tank. If you're not sure, go ahead and just fill your tank up all the way, and then just put the needle roughly where it needs to be. This one could be brought down just a little bit, but whatever. Hope this helps, guys. Remember, don't push the needles all the way down, and make sure the key is on in the full on position where the data shows up here, so you know that you've powered up your cluster. And then place your needles roughly where they would be when the car is cold, or you can look at your data again and put it roughly where it needs to be. This one needs to be adjusted a little bit to get it to 185. Okay, I'm actually idling perfectly at that number right there. You can use your PID data for that as well. Hope this helps, guys. This would actually work for most cars anyway, so good luck.